Buenos dias. So this is my last morning in Ohio, but this morning is a special morning because I'm gonna have arepas made by Ulpi. So let me show you some of these delicious arepas this morning. Ulpi, what you got for us? You got some tasty arepas right here? Whoa, those look pretty good. What did you make them with? You made them with this pan, sweet corn mix. Where can you buy this?
Michoacana
Store?
Michoacana store or Saraga store.
Can you buy it on the internet?
Yes.
Where can you buy it on the internet? On Amazon?
But the Michoacana is
A store? Oh yeah? Mm-hmm. All right, and what you got in here? Oh, you got some bacon in here.
The direction are easy here.
What it is? Easy?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see right here. Let's take a look. Oh, what's it say? Recipe para 5. It says cachapas.
Cachapa.
What the heck is a cachapa?
Another name. The cachapas is the same name that arepas.
Oh, really?
It's more, it's the same.
And it's gluten-free.
Yeah, gluten-free.
Excellent. So we're gonna have some tasty arepas this morning and maybe some bacon. Not for me, but everybody else will be eating bacon. And also, Ulpi's gonna be cooking us up some delicious huevos right here. We got the pasture-raised organic eggs. So, and here's the arepa mixture. Excellent. Are you gonna be making these into arepas, Ulpi?
Sorry?
Are you gonna make this?
Yeah, I need to make one or two or three more. A little more arepas.
Looks delicious.
Butter to
Make it nice and greasy.
okay.
Ulpi, where did you learn to make arepas?
No, it's easy. It's the direction.
You just follow directions and no problem?
Yeah.
Oh, I have to get a footage of this. Sounds like a pancake.
Yeah, it's similar to pancakes or pancakes. Yeah.
Se ve bien. What was that word you taught me yesterday? Se ve bien.
Looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. So Ulpi takes the queso fresco and makes it hot, I guess. You just cook the queso fresco. So we've got Ulpi's arepas cooking. They're gonna cook about a few minutes on each side, and then Ulpi will add the queso on top. So this morning I'm gonna be enjoying some delicious green juice with some arepas and maybe, I don't know, some fruit or oatmeal or something like that. Or little tangerines. All right, so here's our delicious morning breakfast with the huevos, the arepas with a little bit of melted cheese. You can get that queso fresco at Costco. Some delicious bacon. And of course, gotta have the veggies and the greens and the fruits right here. Green smoothie. Looks really good. Luke, what you watching?
You can't watch.
Why not? Because why? It's for kids only?
It's cool.
Oh, okay. If you say so. Let's see how he's gonna get around the circle.
Hey, Dylan, want to know what will try?
Huh?
What wobbles in the sky?
I don't know.
A jellycopter.
A jellycopter. That's hilarious. Oh, there goes the mailman. What you doing, Leo? Yeah, eat that eat that breakfast. It's my last day in Ohio, and I've had a really good time here. I'm gonna miss everybody, my nephews and my brother and his wife and their family. But my next adventure is going to be visiting back in Nashville for a little bit, and then probably back to Florida. It's Luke and Leo's birthday coming up, so we got them some.
No, my birthday.
Oh yeah? Some cards.
Your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Grandma's gonna sign them. Grandma's out here getting the special surprise. Oh, birthday balloons for 2 birthday boys. Go, Grandma, go. A big clip. Leo, look, it's Baby Shark. What do you think about that?
Hold it.
You like Baby Shark?
Baby shark, bum 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 bum. Baby shark, bum bum bum.
You like balloons, Leo? You like it, bud?
Oh,
What do you think about that, Leo? You gonna play with
you put a
that?
little clip on it. That was nice.
Where you going, bud? That's pretty cool. Now let's see if Luke is gonna like his. You think he's gonna like his? Yeah? Okay, well you gotta go, can you go get Luke and tell him to come down here?
He putting on He's putting on his swimsuit, I think.
Oh, he's putting his swimsuit on. Okay, he's gonna come down in a second, okay?
Whoa.
Be careful with it, don't make it go hard.